Hi, this is Irina O'Hara, and this is my final project for Sacrament Meeting Planner. This is the homepage and the first page that a user will see. Here is a view of all meetings that are currently in the database. Each individual meeting has a lot of information, so I decided that I am going to show a very compact view in just a few columns as a preview for each individual meeting. I can sort them by meeting date and conductor, and I can see who's presiding, and the topic is just an umbrella topic for each individual sacrament meeting. And then each speaker can have their own topics that are distinct from each other. So I can find a certain meeting by a conductor's name, and it will filter it for me, and then I can go back to a full list. I also made it so I can see only 3 meetings at a time, so I can have so I can show the pagination functionality, and then I can create a new meeting. Before I do that, I'm going to show you that I have validations, and then for when I create a meeting, I have everything: who's presiding and conducting, and then I have hymns and prayers, but I do not have a input for speakers because I create speakers in a different way. So I'm going to create this new meeting right here, and I show you detail view. So this is everything that I just created, and here I can show speakers, but since I did not create any speakers for this particular meeting, there's obviously 0. So I used a one-to many relationship. So one meeting can have multiple speakers from 0 to unlimited number. And here I can add a new speaker. Let's say, and topic gonna be sacrament, and then I create, and then I can see immediately that I added a speaker. I can add another speaker, yeah, and I create this, and yeah, I can add as many speakers as I want. And then I can, let's say I want to say that I want to edit this because I know that Tony Dinozo not gonna make it, so I need to find another speaker. So let's say Jeffro Gibbs. Okay, and so I updated the speaker. And then I can edit the meeting except speakers again, and then I can go back to the list, and I can see that each individual meeting has its own information, obviously, and then speakers. Some don't have speakers, some has like whatever was added. And then, okay, we don't have anything here. And then, okay. And, okay, back to list. And, so I already showed that I can edit. I showed details. And I'm going to show you that I can delete this one with Mary Kay. Okay, I want to delete, and I see that, okay, here's no Mary Kay, and here's no Mary Kay. So I was able to successfully delete. So I think this is it that I wanted to show you, and thank you very much.